You can view and change the default options that affect all Sage 50 companies by selecting Options and then Global from the menu bar to open the Maintain Global Options window. The tabs here are Accounting, General, Sage Partners, and Spelling. The Accounting tab contains the accounting category options that you can set: decimal entry, number of decimal places, hide general ledger accounts, and other options. Under the Decimal Entry section, you can select either automatic or manual decimal entry. If you choose manual decimal entry, then set the number of digits of decimal display within the types of fields listed in the Number of Decimal Places section. Under the Hide General Ledger Accounts section, you can click the checkbox next to the types of forms within which you want to hide the display of general ledger accounts. Under the Other Options section, select any other options for Sage 50 that you would like to set. The General tab contains general options that you can set for your Sage 50 companies. These are Improved Performance, Line Item Entry Display, Smart Data Entry, and Color Scheme. Under the Improved Performance section, you can select Do Not Print Total Page Length of Reports in Report Headers, Do Not Show Quantity on Hand in Inventory Item Lookup Lists, Update the Business Status and Navigation Centers only when the Refresh button is clicked, and Update Reports automatically when records are saved. Under the Line Item Entry Display section, you select either one line or two line. Under the Smart Data Entry section, you can select Automatic Field Completion or Drop-Down List Displays Automatically. These should both be checked for ease of use when using the program. You can also choose to have Sage 50 automatically create IDs in maintenance windows by checking that option if desired. Now, the color scheme of the program can be changed by selecting a different color scheme option button within the Color Scheme section. Note that you can also click the Reset button to reset all one-time pop-up messages that appear within Sage 50. That will cause them to all show again. On the Sage Partners tab, you can select the level of security for programs that access Sage 50's data by selecting the desired option button. On the Spelling tab, you can select when you want Sage 50 to check for spelling errors. In the Spell Check section, you can select to check spelling as you type and/or check spelling on save or close. Within the Spell Check Options section, you can set the speed and accuracy of the spell check by selecting the desired rate within the Suggestion Speed and Accuracy section. Within the Running Options section, you can check or uncheck any of the spelling options that you wish to enforce or ignore. Once you have the global options set as you would like within Sage 50, you can just click the OK button to close the Maintain Global Options dialog box.